surveys of users on LinkedIn and other locations, the vast majority of users wanted behavior trees. So we use behavior trees. And so each
to carry everything.
No, and I'll tell you why. Okay, it turns out that USB.
For engineering and construction space, we look for teams in that area, as well as in design and manufacturing, and then also in media and entertainment. And the external groups who join our residency program may come from the industry sector. So maybe there's a company that they themselves don't have an R&D space or would really benefit from working alongside others in our community. We also have quite a few entrepreneurs and startups. You'll see a few on the tour as we go through who are here and really benefit from the resources and the subject matter expertise that we can provide.
There, Nick and Adam, who were there in the meeting as well. We are a small group. We've done lots of robots, more than one robot versus maybe. This is actually not the only robots in the
Product in that this device here, the intention is to introduce new outlet types into the design and build of buildings, with the future of having plant life in places that can't easily be supported by human or maintained by.
The annual demo day. We got a lot of startups and we've chosen the best startups Berkeley has to offer. A little about Meetup really quickly. We're a community of creators that aims to connect entrepreneurs at Cal with investors to transform their ideas into reality.
Robotics for AI. So Robotics is a useful workspace platform that you guys can engage in your favorite topics and with interesting peers, not your peers here today. And you can gain proof of impact-based cryptos. And
manager who's actually working at Google, and he says this requires to be paid attention to, and that is why we're raising angel investment. Our roadmap is pretty clear. Our goal is to get 10,000 paying customers in the next 6 months, which is why we're raising angel investment. And more importantly, we're building a tech infrastructure that would actually work. We have a lot of ideas, but for that, we need a bunch of investment.
CEO and co-founder of Grand Time. It is a Web3 crowd-working marketplace that enables businesses outsource microtasks and get them done by an on-demand.
It's a DeFi yield aggregator on Cosmos. If you're not familiar with the Cosmos ecosystem, I'm sure you guys know Ethereum. Ethereum is called a layer 1 blockchain. Now, Cosmos essentially is the layer 0 blockchain. So what this does is it allows layer 1 blockchains to all speak to each other. On the Cosmos ecosystem, there are currently 52 plus minus blockchains. And
before I officially introduce my project, let me ask you guys a question. Have you ever imagined 100 people creating almost scientific fiction? Any ideas? Well, several months ago, when I was still in high school,
the COO and co-founder of Berkeley, the bridge between different platforms. Technology is supposed to make our lives easier, not harder. Let's fix that for developers and innovators with Berkeley. We want to empower developers of all skill levels with a tool that will help them to easily develop on the cloud without having to worry about